I was meant to be the best, number one, nothing less. Lead me to my destiny. I wait patiently. I have vision, no, I believe. No one can tell me. So stand up for the champions, stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, stand up. There we go. It's getting close. Now it's just one thing most. It's just like that. How it is. Now, of course, we have our strengths and weaknesses. I have vision, no, I believe. I have vision, no, can't you see? I'm on the move. Wait for me. Stand up, for the champions, stand up, stand up, stand up, for the champions, stand up. And when I fall down, I have to pick myself back up. And when I fall down, I have to pick myself back up. Stand up, for the champions, stand up. All right, that was it. Now we're talking about champions. Why do you sing that song? I want to learn one thing. What are champions of mathematics? You. Right? Okay. Let's look at something very, very important. Today, I want to make you see something. I want to make you what? Realize something. Okay? If you are made to believe that you have never achieved anything, then you will never be able to what? To achieve anything. Is that clear? Is that clear? You are Muslim, right? Yes. You are Muslim, right? Yes. You are intellectuals, right? Yes. And you are future scientists, right? Yes. Mathematicians, right? Yes. Engineers, yes. Doctors, lawyers, teachers, right? You are going to conquer the world. You are going to what? What is your anthem? You are going to serve God, right? And humanity, in prosperity, right? If you have to lead, and you must, bringing new ideas. Now listen. Now it's okay. Thank you very much. Today, I want to let you see your heritage, the heritage of the Muslims, the Islamic contribution to what? To science and what? To mathematics and what? And science. Is that clear? Today, most of you will hear, except in this school, where we don't use Western education, right? Most of you will be bombarded with Western education and what? Islamic education. That is wrong. Is that clear? That is what? There's nothing like what? Western education. There's nothing like what? We only have religious education and what? And mundane. What do you say? We have religious education and what? Mundane is anything that has to do with the world. Physical. Are you now? Why religious or spiritual? Religious or what? Religious or what? Spiritual or spiritual. Has to do with what? The hereafter. Is that clear? The hereafter, that is, how to do it, how to please God. Okay? Why the worldly education has to do with what? How to earn a living. Is that clear? Is that clear? And God spoke about these two knowledge in what? Surah Al-Rum. Quran chapter 30 verse number 3, right? يَعْلَمُونَ ظَاهِرًا مِنَ الْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا وَهُمْ عَنِ الْآخِرَةِ هُمْ غَافِلُونَ. Is that clear? God instructs us to focus on these two aspects. وَبِتَغِي فِيمَا آتَاكَ اللَّهُ دَارُ الْآخِرَةِ وَلَا تَنْسَ نَصِيبَكَ مِنَ الدُّنْيَا. Whatever Allah has given to you, use it to what? Seek what the hereafter. But don't forget your worldly what. So even in your religion, your educational pursuits, you must seek what? Knowledge of the hereafter and what? The knowledge of this world. Okay? So one without the other is lame. Okay? One without the other is like a bird with what? With one wing. Can it fly? Can it fly? Now, very good. Education is It's not Western. Education is not what? Eastern. And education is not what? It's not European. Neither is it what? Neither is it Arab or Chinese. Okay? The world, are you being now? The world, everybody from the whole part of the world contributed to what? Education. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? The whole part of the world, the Asian continent, the Japanese, the Chinese, are you with me? The Indians, are you with me? Aha. And then you come to the closest Asian part of the Asian continent, the Arab world. Are you with me now? The Iraqis, the Syrians, and the who? The Egyptians, although they are in Africa now. Okay? Okay, so you have the Saudi Arabians, Yemen. Are you with me? This is the Arab world, right? Still part of Asia. Okay? Pakistan is Asia. Now we talk about Europe, right? Europe, countries in Europe. Britain, France, Germany, right? Talk about North America, Canada, United States of America, and all Mexico, right? South America, Argentina, Brazil, Uruguay, no, who say? What is it? Pardon? No, Washington is the capital of USA, which is North America. Okay, I know I want us to go through countries in South America. Brazil, Argentina, and who? Pardon? Cuba, Colombia, Paraguay, right? Uruguay, right? Malaysia is in Asia. Malaysia, okay, is in Asia. Africa, countries in Africa. Nigeria, Senegal, Ghana, obviously. They have Australia, right? Australia, New Zealand. Okay, fine. Listen to me, listen quietly. This is just summary of the word, okay? The summary of the word. Now, everybody contributed to knowledge, okay? Everybody contributed to what? But if there's anybody that contributed to science, I mean now, to science and mathematics more, is the what? Is the Muslims and what? And the Arabs. I mean, if anybody contributed more, okay? The Greeks, I mean now, pioneered philosophy. Are you getting right now? And some elementary of what? Some basics of mathematics. Are you getting right now? Before, that's why you have Archimedes and Pythagoras theory. I mean, before the Romans conquered them, the Romans were barbarians. Are you mean now? When the Romans conquered them, they stopped their learning. Are you mean now? In fact, Pythagoras was killed by a Roman soldier when he was performing mathematical experiment on the sun. The Roman soldier thought that he was worshiping an idol, that is not their own god. He killed him. Are you mean? Europe was in dark age. Is that clear? Europe was what? In dark age. We were worshiping, different things. Now, when Islam came to the Arab world, are you with me? Islam taught man to what? To study nature instead of worship nature, okay? Afala yanzuruna ila ibili. That is telling you to study what? Biology. Can't you see the camel weight written? Wa ila samai? Muslim parents studying astronomy. Are you with me now? It's like you're getting telescope. Are you with me now? It's like doing calculation, optics, geometry. That is the origin of what? Geometry and trigonometry. Are you with me? Then, wa ila jibali kayfa nusiba. They started studying what? Geology. Are you with me now? Why don't Audi cave city now? They started studying geography. Are you with me now? Good. Is that clear? Now, mathematics as you know, science as you know, and the basis of science is what? Mathematics. That is the basics. That is the number one of what science. Is that clear? No science, no physical science without what? Without mathematics. That also. Now listen. Did not start from the what? The West. It did not start from what? It did start from Europe. Okay? It started from where? From the Arab world and India. Is that clear? For example, the numbers that the Europeans are using, they don't have a number on their own. Are you being now? They learn mathematics from where? From the Arabs. Is that clear to you? The first university, even the Europeans have it in their history today. The first university is where? It's Cairo, Egypt, right? That's not true. The first university, everybody knows the first university today. If you ask anybody in the world, they say the first university is what? Al-Azhar University in what? In Cairo. That's not even true. The first university was not Al-Azhar. The first universities were destroyed by the Mongols in Baghdad, Beitul Hikmah. Say, house of wisdom. That was where we have the first professor of what? Mathematics called Al-Khwarizmi. Say Al-Khwarizmi. 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 Jabir Al-Khwarizmi. Say Jabir. Al-Khwarizmi. Say Jabil and Khwarizmi in Iraq, in Baghdad, in Iraq. Okay, under the Abbasid what? Caliphate. Okay, so when the barbarians attacked them, they destroyed that other home. They destroyed their university. They want to research. The second university was in Cordoba. Say Cordoba, in Spain. In Spain, that was where the Europeans learned their science from. Are you now? But during the Spanish Reconquista, say Spanish Reconquista, that university was also destroyed. That university was also what? The Europeans that came to learn from that university went back to Europe and started the European Renaissance. Started what? This is how their new scientific development came today. So they are not the originators of science and mathematics. Is that clear? For example, the numbers we use today, we have the what? It's called what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Are you now? What is it called? What numeral is this? Who said Roman? Stand up and hold your 2 ears. Stand up and hold your 2 ears. What numeral is this? Arabic numeral. Stand for her. You just learned this last week. Give her that. Give her that money. Give her that money. Give it to her. Another one also her. In your English textbook, what do they call this? Arabic what? Numerals. Is that clear? That is to tell you that the basics of mathematics, which is the number itself, the numeral itself, is originated from where? From the Arabs. Is that clear? Is that clear? The Europeans don't have a number system apart from the Roman numerals. I'll come to that. This number system you see is the Arabic word numerals. Are you now? It was developed by the Arabs and the what? And the Indians. Is that clear? This 0 you are seeing is the bastardized form of Sidam. Is bastardized form of what? Sifu. Say what? Sifu. This is how it was. They don't know how to write it, so they start writing like Sifu. 0. In Sifu they are calling what? 0. Is that clear? This 1 is what? Wahid. Wahid, they cannot call it properly. They are calling it what? 1. Is that clear? It's now they are calling 2. It's like this. They call it the other way around. Do you see it? Salasa. Like this. They cannot write it. They remove the tail and turn it the other way around to what? To be 3. Is that clear? Is that clear? Alpha. See, this is what they did. That is why of course 9 is still the same thing. And 10 is what? 7, 8, 6. 6 and what? 5. Do you understand me? So they cannot pronounce this properly. They write it like this. Do you understand? So it's Arabic word numerals. It's right for what? The Arabs. Is that clear? It's right for who? The Arabs. Now let me show you something. Roman numerals. Roman have numerals, right? They have numeral system. This is they don't have 0. Romans have 0. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9 is what? X and what? X and what? That is X to the right and what? I to what? That means 10 minus what? Then 10 is X. Then 11 is what? X plus what? I. Good. You see this? The Romans are from what? They are the ones that what? That were leading the world, Europe. Are you being under the what? The Roman Empire. Listen to me. They don't have a good number system. Do you know why? This number system, you cannot use it in complex mathematics. Do you know why? It has no place value. Do you know your place value? Like in Arabic numerals, when you get to 9, the next one is what? The concept of 0 was what? Introduced. Are you now? Now, 1 times 10 is what? 10. 10 times 10 is what? 100 times 10 is what? 1,000 times 10 is what? 10,000 times 10 is what? This is what we call place value, right? But the Roman numerals don't have what? Place value. So you cannot solve math with it. Do you know why? Good. Like when the Roman numerals does not even have 0. So when you get to 10, you have to write 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? When you get to 100, what do you write? You write C, right? When you get to 200, can you multiply? Can you say 100 times 2? Can you say 100 times 2? You can see 100 times what? 2 is what? 2 times 0. 2 times 0. 2 times 1. Do You can see Arabic numerals, right? Now let's try Roman numerals. C, right? Times what? Times 2. Oh yeah, let me see. Will it give you IIC? Will it give you IIC? What will you get? You get CC. Tell me how you get CC from 1C and 2I. How? That is not mathematics. You are speaking English. You are correct, but I am trying to tell you something. The Roman numerals is not useful in what? In complex what? Mathematics. Do you understand me? For example, this figure, all these parts we are solving this. You cannot use Roman what? Numerals. Is that clear? They learned that from the Muslims. They learned from who? From the Arab. Is that clear? Is that clear? Clap yourself. Now, furthermore, please. Furthermore, what is that? How many do you have? How many to let that? Just 12 minutes more. Just 12 minutes more. Now, listen. I want to show you something very interesting. 12 minutes more. Now, listen. Are you listening? Are you listening?
Yes.
You see, Jabir al-Khwarizmi is a Persian, or he's from Iran. Are you now? Mathematician. That what? That introduced the mathematics that we are using today in our present life. Do you know that? I'll tell you. He wrote 2 books, 2 publications. Are you getting that right now? One of it is titled what? The publication of what? The findings, the articles of what? Of Jabir. Are you getting me? So, which is called algebra today. Say algebra. Algebra is from what? Jabir and Khwarizmi. Are you me? Now, he wrote another thing called algorithm. Say algorithm. 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 Say algorithm. This algorithm is the Romans, the Europeans, they cannot call Al-Khwarizmi correctly. They now change it to what? Algorithm. Do you understand me? Just like, accent. You know accent? Like Yoruba now. Show me one thing that you cannot call properly. Yoruba? Pleasure. They will say what? They will say pleasure. They cannot call SH properly. Yoruba cannot call what? SH. So they will say education instead of what? Education. They will say conclusion instead of what? Conclusion. Is that clear? Do you understand me? Now let's be Yoruba. Let's do the Hausa. Show me what the Hausa cannot call properly. They interchange F for what? For P. My what? My people. My father. And when they want to call F, they put P. Sapina. Sapina. Say Sapina. What of Digala? They change, Digala will change Z for what? J. Fertilizer. They will call it what? Fertilizer. 1,000. They will call it what? 1,000. Emira. And what? And what? 10 raised to power of what? 2. They will say 10 raised to power 2. I want to buy rice. They will say I want to buy rice. Now, listen. The Romans too, the Europeans too, they also have problem with what? Accent, okay? They cannot call Y. So, Yusuf, they will call it to what? They will turn Y to what? To J. Yusuf, they will say what? Joseph. Joseph. Yakub, they will say what? Jacob, Jacob. Is that clear? Isa, they will say what? Jesus. You get it? Ayub, they will say what? Aju, then Job. So that is how they bastardize. Like, Okene is Okane. Are you getting that point now? Okawe, they say Okawe. Are you getting that point now? Is that clear? Are you following me? They cannot call Al-Khwarizmi. They call it what? Algorithm. Are you getting that point now? So Al-Khwarizmi, Al-Jabir Al-Khwarizmi, is from him who got algebra what? algorithm. Algorithm is a complex algebra. Are you with me now? Algorithm is a what? Complex algebra. What is algebra? Algebra is a what? It's a combination of what? Figure and what? And what? For example, when you have a plus what? B square. Habiba. A plus B square is equal to what? A square plus what? 2AB plus what? B square. Are you seeing it now? And those of you who are in junior class, don't worry. You are wondering where the two came from, right? That's what we call algebra. Say algebra. Do you like algebra now? You like algebra, don't worry. So this one's called algebra. A complex algebra is called what? Algorithm. It's called what? Algorithm. But you see, these things I'm telling you, you can study them in the future. For example, see this big book. Who can carry this big book? Me. What is written here? Who can see? History of the world. Of the whole world is what? Is here. Should I drop it on your head? Now, history of the whole world is what? Any of you that make noise, you carry this thing. For another 10 minutes. Okay? So the history of the world is here, okay? But there are so many other books you can learn that, okay? You can study the evolution of science by Professor Eisenhower. Is that clear? Evolution of what? Modern science by Professor Eisenhower. Is that clear? You can also study Islam and the world by Imam Hassan an-Nadawi. But that's by the Our point here is that algorithm is used today in Facebook. Do you know Facebook? Yes. Do you know Facebook? Yes. Do you know, do you go through have you ever seen your parents going through Facebook? Yes. Good. Sorry, teachers, any of you with, can I use your phone with Facebook, with data? Okay. Please. Now, I want to see something. Today, Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, are you getting up right now? With some other guys, there's that Facebook. Yeah. They are making a lot of money. Are you with me? They are using algorithm. You know algorithm? How do they make money? They use algorithm to make suggestions. Are you getting me? So that they can do marketing. So this is Facebook, okay? This is what? Facebook. Are you seeing Facebook? Can you all see? Now, how do they make money? People pay them for what? For adverts. That is number one. Number two, they make money from your data. They make money from where? Data. Your parents, have you ever had a parent tell you about how to buy data? How to subscribe? The money is to buy data. Facebook gets the share from it. Are you me now? But above that, they get money from what? Marketing. Adverts. You know adverts? Yes. If I want to advertise my school now, I can what? I can pay Facebook. I'll sponsor the what? The video. Instead of uploading it directly, I can sponsor the video. Facebook will make it to reach more people. You understand me? Facebook will what? They will send it to what? More people. Not just more people. What did I say? Not just who? Not just who? But which kind of people will they send it to? No, not everyone. They will send it to the relevant people. What did I say? What did I say? Relevant people. Say relevant. How will they know the relevant people? How will they know the relevant people? And who are the relevant people? For example, listen to me. If you are selling, tell me what your brain is selling. What? Kitchen utensils. You are trying to market for your order. Your order will pay. Kitchen utensils. Your mother is selling kitchen utensils. I mean, I'm not going to order them until your mother will pay us. Now, if you post a post concerning kitchen utensils, are you paying now? And you pay Facebook. Facebook will make sure it gets to people that are what? That are relevant. What are the people who used to what? Who used to click and watch anything that have to do with what? Kitchen utensils. Is that clear? They will send the message to them. They will say suggested for you. Are you me now? But does Facebook know you? You that you are using, the person that is seeing the message will be wondering, how do people know that I what? I like what? I like what? Do you understand? If you used to watch school things, anything that have to do with lectures, you'll be receiving feeds. You'll be receiving message from Facebook on what? Concerning what? Lectures and school. You'll be wondering, why are they suggesting this to me? How do they know I like this? How do they know? They use algorithm. What did I say? Facebook don't know you. It's a computer program. Are you now? Based on what you click, they can what? They can suspect that what? You are going to click this. Are you getting that point now? If you have been clicking this, they can suggest, they can predict. Are you doing that? You are going to what? Click this one, so they will send it to you. They use algorithm to what? They use algorithm to predict. What does it? They use algorithm to what? Predict the relevant what? People. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Good. Should I show you an example? Should I show you an example? Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. I'm not sure you are ready. Are you sure you are ready? Yes. If you are ready, sing one song for me. No. A very beautiful song. Who has the best voice here? Money is scarce in Nigeria now, so let me not play with your money. I'll give you one for it there. Yes. Who has the most beautiful voice here? Okay, let me sing my own. Who can sing like me? Okay? Yes. Should I sing my own? Yes. Okay. Tell me why it is not now.
Why it's not Tafado.
Give thanks to Allah for the moon and the stars. Praise Him always for what is and what was. Keep hold of your iman. Don't give in to shaitan. Oh, you who believe, please give thanks to Allah. Allahu Afu. Allahu Rahim. Allahu Yuhibbul Muhsinin. Wa Khaliquna. Wa Razikuna. Wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. Who can sing it? 15 naira. Nobody can sing it. They clap for me. I want to show you how algorithm work. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Now listen. What is the square root of 5? Your 5. You want me to say the square, right? You don't know. All right, don't worry. 2.5. Who told you? 2.5 times 2.5. Is it 5? Listen. Yeah, be coming down. Know your mathematician. What is square root of 25? 5. What is square root of 4? 2. What is square root of 100? 10. 10. What is square root of 36? 6. It's easy for you, right? Yes. Now, it's easy for you, right? Please don't stay long. You miss something. Okay? Make way for her. You know it's easy for you to know why. Because it's what? Because it's what? Who can tell me one word? In Arabic? If you ever say it in English again, you will not know. Good. If you only yourself say it in Arabic, only then you can go. Who knows? Why is it easy for you to know? Tell me. Just one word. Tell me. Just that word. No. Who will tell me why it's easy for you to know the square root? That's not the word I want to hear. You are correct, but that's not the word. Aisha, quickly. No? Because of what? No. I want to hear 2 words. Happy by the way to tell me this word. Why do you know? Why is it easy for you to? Because it's a perfect square. Because it's a what? It's a perfect square. It's a what? Perfect what? Square. A perfect square is what? What's a perfect square? It's the product of what? A number multiplied by what? Itself. So this one is 5 times what? 5. This one is 2 times what? 2. This one is 10 times what? 10. This one is 6 times what? 6. But if I give you a non-perfect square to find the square root for me, it's going to be difficult for you. Is that clear? For example, if I say you should find the square root of 28, what will it be? You are going to use calculator. You must learn math with that calculator, yes? 2. 2 times 2 is 4, so that's not the square root. Okay? Yes? The square of 28. The square of 28 means 28 times 28 now. It is 28 times what? 28. Are you with me? 14. No. 14 times 14 is not 28. It's only 14 plus 14. Don't mistake 14 plus 14 to be 14 times what? 14. Now listen. Hello? 6. No. You won't get it. Now listen to me. Are you listening to me? You can only know this answer using what? Calculator. Stop solving. You can only know this answer using what? And what does calculator use? It uses what? Algorithm. Are you with me now? But we human beings can also use the algorithm to predict. Are you ready? Should we predict the square root? Now, an Egyptian mathematician 2,000 years ago discovered an algorithm that you can use to predict the square root of what? Of a non-perfect square. Of a non-perfect what? Square. What is that algorithm? He said, if x is what? The what? Approximate, you know of approximate, right? Approximate what? Square root of what? Of what? Of n. Are you with me now? Then half into what? X plus what? N over what? X is a what? Is a better approximation. Is a what? Better approximation. Is a better what? Approximation. This algorithm. See, don't bother yourself, okay? Just listen, don't write, just follow us. Are you with me now? Just it's fun. Are you getting me? Yes, Abiba. You want to solve it? You want to solve it? Okay, don't worry. You solve it, but let me make sure they are following us. Are you with me now? Now listen. Listen quickly because of time. Are you following me? We want to predict the what? We want to predict the square root of what? We want to use this formula now to predict the square root of what? Of 20 what? 8, which is a what? Non-perfect what? Square. A non-perfect what? Square. Are you following? Good. Now, what you will do is what? What is x now? X is an approximate what? Square root of what? 28. What? Which perfect square is closest to 28?
25.
Clap for yourself. So our x will be what? Everybody want to solve it? Now come on, come on. Come on quickly. Quickly. Sudah dua atas sampai lagi sama pas kami ani apa ya? You will have stayed there now. Right. So what do we do? Because of time, I will write. You tell us what to do. So x will be what? X will be what? So the perfect square that is equivalent to 28 is 25, right? Yes. What is square root of what? 25. 5. So x will be what? 5. Remember says 25. What is our n now? What is our n? 28, right? N is what? 28. So can we what do we do next, Amiba? We insert the value into what? Our algorithm, right? Now, Sumeya. Okay. I'm sure if it's that working now, you will not sleep. Now, can we insert? Are you ready for us to insert? Look at the algorithm. Can we insert n and x? So what we write? Half into what? Into what? 5 plus what? 28 over what? Over 5. Do you see it? What's the next step for us to do? Abiba, what's the next step? 5 over 1. God bless you. Okay, in steps. Let's do it in steps so that you don't miss mark. Okay? Let's do it in what? In steps. You make this one 5 over what? 1. Do you know why? Can you step aside for them to see? Do you know why? Every number is over what? Every number is over what? Okay. Plus what? Plus 28 over what? Very good. What's the next step? We find the LCM of what? Of the what? Of the what? Of the denominators. What's the LCM of the denominators? 5, right? Hello? 5 is the LCM of the denominator, right? What's the next thing for us to do? How many times will 1 go into 5? 5 times. What then? With that 5, what will you do with 5 now? Times what? The numerator, right? 5. So it should not be what? 5 times 5 is what? 25. 20. Is it 25, not 20? 25. What's the next thing, Abiba? 5 in 5 is 1, yes? Then times 28 is what? 28. Say 28. 28. So now, don't forget you have what? Half outside you. Is that clear? Is that clear? Is that clear? Now let's come to this second board. Now, can you stand this other way? Thank you. Okay. So what do we do next? Go there. Go over there. Go over there. What do we do next? We have half into what? 5 over 1 plus 28 over what? 5. Is that also? But before we do this, what's the next step, Abiba? Okay, sorry. We have half into 25 plus 28 over 5. So what do we do? We add, right? Half into what? 28 plus 25. 53 over what? 5. You close the bracket, right? Now you can now open the bracket, right? So you're going to multiply. So you now have half times what? 53 over what? 5. Is that clear? So what do we do next? You multiply, not cross multiply, you are wrong. You only cross multiply. Listen. You only cross multiply if an equality sign is what? Is here. Is that clear? Mathematics. Let your figures, let your shapes and be careful. You only because for mathematics is so easy, right? But you have to be careful. It's multiply. So you directly what? Multiply. So it's going to be 1 times 53 is what? 53 over what? Over 10. Is that clear? Now, 53 divided by 10, how do you do it? Step aside so I can see you. How do you divide 53 by 10? There are two methods, right? Should we use long division or we use cancellation method? Okay, we use both. Okay, let's use long division first. How you doing now? You have it here, right? What is your dividend? What is your divisor? 10, right? Can 10 go into 5? You cannot, right? Then you move forward. Can 10 go into 3? How many times? So you write 5 over what? Over the 3, right? Then what do you do? You have done division, right? Is dad, mom, sister, and what? Brother. You have done division, right? That is dad. Let's do mom. What is mom now? 5 times 10? 50. Then you what? You lose sister, right? What is sister? Subtract. Then you have what? 3, right? What's the next thing you do? You bring down. Is there anything left to bring down here? Nothing left to bring down. So what do you do next? Can 10 go into 3? So what do? You put a point in front of what? The 5. 5 points, right? Then you saw you can add 0 here, right? How many times will 10 divide 30? 3 times, right? Will there be any remainder? Okay, let's confirm. 3 times 10, 30. Then what you do? You subtract. When you subtract, you have 0. Is there anything to bring down?
No.
So it is 5.3 equals to what? 5. Good. Now step aside so you can see. Can you all see? It is telling you that what? From this algorithm, the square root of 28 is what?